So these are the basic concept of multiplication. After that, now we will start to solve the question of multiplication. Friends, that is the first part of question number 6. That multiply or find the product of that. I already told you the bracket indicates the multiplication. There are two brackets. One bracket is this one and the second bracket is this one. These two numbers are multiplying. Here I already show you the brackets show for the multiplication or the brackets show for the multiplication. But what is the difference of this question and this question? There are only two terms, because there is one term and one term we can simply directly multiply of that one. But here these are the two terms, and here inside the bracket three terms. Here inside the bracket single term, and inside the bracket is also single term. So how to simplify and how to solve? Same rule we will apply. But first of all, I want to write in the form of the bracket. If I want to expand this bracket, this first number multiply with the complete bracket. First number multiply with the complete bracket. So x, and this bracket will be remain same. X square minus 3x and plus 9. That is the first step. Clear? Good. So what is the next number? 3. So we have to multiply by 3. Yes, but what is before that one? This sign plus. So this is the plus sign, plus 3. If there is a negative number, then you will write negative, or the positive number, write positive. Any number you have to write that. Then after that you will write the number 3, and 3 will also multiply by whole bracket. That will become x square minus 3x plus 9. Okay, good. So now we have to multiply by this x with this complete bracket by using the same first sign, then coefficient, then variable. If I will multiply by the sign, if there is no sign behind, it means that sign is positive. And the positive sign is the same. And then after that coefficient is that. Coefficient is 1. And 1 is multiplied to any number, there is no change. So first I want to multiply this. What is the sign before that? Plus. And here plus. So sign is the same. So you will write plus. If you will not write, it's accepted. Coefficient, its coefficient. What is that? 1x. And here also 1. So 1 no need to write. The third step. Go directly. Variable. Both variables are same. So what should do? The answer. Yeah, we already solved it here. X into x square, x cube, add its power. The first step complete. Now second, here plus and here minus. So plus minus, minus, good. Then its coefficient. When there is nothing, any number, it means its coefficient is 1. If you are confusing, then you can write. Otherwise, 1. 3 ones are 3. I said then coefficient. 3 ones are 3. Third step, variable. X multiply by x. Variable same? Yes, good. So variable same, then what should the answer? Power should add. So x multiply by x. Here power is 1 and its power is also 1. So 1 plus 1 x square. Correct? Again. So first sign. Here sign is plus. Its sign is plus. So plus into plus. Plus. Good. Then second coefficient. 1 into 9. 9 ones are 9. Then variable x. Is there any variable? No. Single, then write. Same. These are the completely steps. Then after that I will explain that how can do that, the shortcut also, right? So the next one also using the same. Now I will also explain that one, the shortcut of that one. If the sign is positive behind the variable or before the variable positive sign and there is a x, then no sign change inside the bracket, because here plus plus, minus minus, plus plus. But if the sign is positive, if the sign is negative here, then all the sign will be changed. If the sign is behind the bracket, before the bracket is negative, then all sign will be changed. And the second shortcut clue, if the variable is 1, then no variable will be changed. Here variable 3, variable 3. Here variable 9, here variable 9. Because 9 ones are 9, 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1. Because 1 is multiplied to any number, there is no change. So that is the shortcut way. So the variable and the power will be, coefficient will be same, sign will be same, change will be only variable, because here variable x, so x into x square x cube, variable change. Here x into x, x square, variable change. Here is no x, here x will be arise. Right? That is the shortcut way. Here plus sign, it means that all the sign will be same, of the bracket will be not changed, as I told you before. The coefficient is 3, it means that all coefficient will be changed. But there is no variable here, so the variable will not change, variable will remain same. So here coefficient same, 3 ones are 3, so x square will be same, because there is no term of the x here which add the powers, as I told you. But here plus into minus, as I told you, if the sign is plus, inside the bracket all sign will be same. But coefficient will be changed now. 3 into 3, 9. But variable same, because x ones are x. So here plus into plus, 3 nines are 27, because there is no variable here, so it will be remain same. I will repeat that one. If the number is multiplying, that is the positive number. Inside the bracket, all the sign will remain same. How? Here is the plus sign, here is plus. Here is the minus sign, here is minus, and here is plus, and here is also plus. Why? Because the plus sign is not change the sign of inside the bracket. Correct? Second, if there is no variable here, then all the variable will be same. X square same, x same, and here no variable, because outside there is no variable. But the coefficient is 3, all the coefficient will be changed. And here what is that? Here is coefficient 1, sign is also positive. So coefficient same, sign same, but variable will not same. Okay, that is the clue to check that you are right or wrong. But steps I already explained that one. Now what is the next step? We have to rearrange the like terms. Like terms means same. X cube, is any term of x cube is here? No. Okay, finish. Then the x square terms, minus 3x square and plus 3x square. So we will write that minus 3x square and plus 3x square. Correct? So these three terms are already finished. We have to arrange. Now the next term is x variable. Descending order we are finding that, because first x cube, then x square, then x. So plus 9x, and the next is minus 9x. Correct? And these two terms also finished. Then you have to mark up, because sometimes when you are rearranging, then sometimes you skip that, your question will be wrong. That's why. So you have to mark up also. And the last term, only 27 will remain. Then you will write 27. You will also mark it here. And after that, you will also check that all the number of terms you have written in the rearrange. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means that we have written all the terms. Now more simplification. X cube, there is no other term of x cube, so x cube will remain same. Correct? Here minus 3x square and plus 3x. So minus 3 and plus 3, as I already explained in the previous question, when the signs are opposite, then we have to use the procedure of subtraction. So plus 3 minus 3, 0, no need to write. You can also cancel here like also, no issue. Here also signs are changed. So which procedure we have to use? Subtraction. Plus 9 minus 9, 0. You can also cancel here also, no issue. So what is remaining? Plus 27. What is the answer of that? 27x cube? No. Why? Terms are not like that. Because in addition, and subtraction is possible only at that time when the terms are like that, like x square and x square, x and x, constant with constant. But multiplication possible. If 27 multiplied by x cube, you can write 27 x cube, like here we multiply here. Is it possible that say 3 4s are 12 x square cube y? But if there is sign of addition, it's not possible to add. Addition and subtraction only like terms. Hope all of you understand. Now the next question is your assignment. You have to start to solve, then show me. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, my dear student, your next assignment for my intelligent students is that question is same. I will just a little change in this question, and then you will give me the answer after solution. That here is x plus 3. So if I will change it into x minus 3, correct? And here also a little bit change. What is that? X square. Here is minus 3x, but I am changing that plus 3x and plus 9. I did not change so much, just two signs I changed. Here is this sign is the plus, this sign is plus, which I mark it here, plus I change into minus, and this minus sign is that minus and I change it into plus. So what is the change in the answer? Okay, which you will solve and show me that. So what is that answer? This is your assignment. Solve it now and show me that what is your answer. Thank you very much. Take care.